alphabetic order. Okay, now what we had to do is rationalize this. So rationalization is very easy. So what you have to do is square root of 12 minus x. Here plus is there, here minus is there, so you put the plus in between, plus x divided by square root of 12 minus x plus x. You have to multiply and divide with the same thing. And again, here root of 6 plus x is there, minus 3. So we'll write that square root of 6 plus x minus 3 is there. So we'll put plus 3 here, whole divided by square root of 6 plus x plus 3.
Yes.
So up to now, okay. Now that's the first one. That's what he has done here in the step 1. Now look in here, this is like a plus b into a minus b, or a minus b into a plus b type.
Yeah.
So a square is 12 minus x. So you have limit extends to 3. You have 12 minus x, that is a square, minus b square, that is x square. So that is x square minus x square. This is what you have.
Yeah.
12 minus x square. Here root of 6 plus x whole square is 6 plus x minus 9. 3 square is 9.
9.
This is what you have. Now 6 minus 9 is minus 3. So you have limit extends to 3. So in the denominator you have x minus 3 here. And you have, if I take the negative sign on the top, I have x square minus x square plus x minus 12. If I take the negative sign. Now it is negative, I can take out. So I can write limit extends to 3.
Yeah.
Now x square plus x minus 12 can be written as x plus 4 into x minus 3. So you can factor this out like this. So whole divided by x minus 3.
Okay.
Right? 4 3 is 12, no? 4 minus 3 is 1. So this is clear. So x minus 3 is out. That hurting term is cancelled. So when the hurting term is cancelled, negative of limit extends to 3, when you put, that is 3 plus 4, that is 7, minus 7. That's the answer. Minus 7, that's the answer. Clear?
Okay. Yeah.
So this is how we will solve the problems. So let's move on. So little bit difficult. This problem is little bit difficult. So you will get used to that. The next one. See, limit extends to 0, 1 by x, if it exists. See, 1 by x, this is like, it is defined as infinity. Okay, don't worry about this limit. This limit you need not worry. So 1 by x is the graph that gives a rectangular hyperbola. Don't worry too much about this one. So this is limit extends 0 mod x plus minus mod x. Okay. This one is anyway that gives you 0. It's not an issue. Okay. So that limit exists. Don't worry much about this. This is one. Oh, they are making it tough. The tough things we'll see later. These things we'll see later. First, you have to get used to the limits first. Now we'll go to the check your progress first, and then calculate this limits. So first you have to get used to that. Later we'll solve that problems. They are little bit tough. That problems, the other examples are relatively somewhat tough. We'll come back to those examples later. First we'll solve the basic problems so that you will handle the limits first. So first, what will be the first question? Question 1.
Yeah.
So how do you solve this?
To limit 2x.
Limit extends to 2.
2x plus 3 plus 7.
2 times x plus 3 plus 7.
Yeah, so x, you have to substitute x to 2 first.
Yeah. Yes.
So 2 into 2 plus 3 plus 7.
Yes.
2 plus 3 is 5.
Yeah.
So 10 plus 7.
Yeah.
Which is 17.
Very good. That's it. Over.
It is not a hurting term.
There is no hurting term.
There is no hurting term.
There is no hurting term in this. Yes, good. No, next one. Go to the next one.
I think even in B there is no hurting term, but
yeah, no hurting term. When you have quotient only, when you have numerator by denominator only, you will get the hurting terms in general.
Yeah. I think, okay, wait. I think even in C there is no hurting term.
Yes. Correct. Good. You are able. You should identify first. That is good.
Yeah.
Yeah, check it up. So what's the answer
In D,
here?
D?
B. Answer B.
No,
What is?
B. Oh,
Yeah.
B will be 10.
How?
Sorry. 1. No, not 10. 1 plus 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
How? How, Aditi? 11.
Oh, 0.
Uh,
Oh, 1 second. 0 plus 3 into 0 is 0. 7. 7.
7 is the answer. Yes.
Yeah.
Correct.
In this,
Now,
okay.
next one.
1 plus 3 square minus 16 should be 4, 16. Oh, 3 plus 1, 16. This is 0.
Yeah, good. 0. Correct.
So
Right
this
answer.
is a
Good.
hurting term.
So there is no hurting term. When you get 0 by 0 form,
0. Okay.
then
Okay.
only it is hurting term.
Okay.
Getting 0 is not a hurting term.
Okay.
When you get 0 by 0 form only,
0.
this is only
Okay.
hurting term. Then only you will say that hurting term is there.
Okay.
When you are getting 0, that's not a hurting term.
Hurting term. Okay.
Okay, right.
So minus 1 plus 1 into square plus 2. 0. 2. No hurting term.
Yeah, no hurting term. Very good. So what's the answer here?
2.
Yeah, good. The answer is 2 here. Yes, fine. Next.
2 into 0 plus 1 minus 5 should be 1 minus 4. 3.
3.
No.
Are you sure?
No. 1 second.
Yeah, take time, no problem.
0 plus 1, which is 1. 2 into 0 plus 1
Yes.
minus 5.
Yeah.
So it's plus 1. So 1 into 1 into 1 is 1 only. So 1 minus, minus 4.
Minus 4. Very good. So that's minus 4 for you. Yes. Next.
3 plus 1, 4. 4 into 1 plus 1, 2. 8.
Okay, good. Good. So you got the first basic idea of problems. Okay, fine. Good. Now let's move. So here we go. Now go for this. Second question A.
Okay. So it will be x minus 5. So 5 minus 5 is 0.
Yeah, 0.
By 5 plus 0 by 7.
0 by 7. Is there
It's
any
not a
hurting term?
hurting term.
Not a
No.
hurting term. Yes.
No.
So what's the answer?
0 by 7.
Yeah, 0 by 7 is? Or you're not sure? 0 by 7 is 0. Anything, 0 by anything is 0.
Okay.
Okay, 0 by anything is 0. 0 multiplied by anything is 0.
0. 2 by, this is 1. No, 3 by 2.
3 by 2. Very good. Next.
3 into minus 1 plus 5 by minus 1 minus 10, which is minus 3 plus 5, 2 by minus 11. 2 by minus 11.
Yeah, minus 2 by 11. You can say.
Minus 2 by
Minus 2 by 11. Next.
Next is px. Then this is 0. No, this is not 0. Plus q by a in p. Q by b.
Yes, very good. Q by b. Very good.
Yeah.
Q by b. Very good. Next.
3 square. Oh, this is 0. 3 square, 3 into 9. 9
Yeah.
minus 9, 0.
Yeah. Now how to do this?
So now what we have to do is, let me just lim.
Yeah.
LIM. We have to find the hurting term. So LIM x square minus 9. LIM x square minus 9 divided by x minus 3. X is equals to 3. We have to
Tends to
write
3.
it
We'll read it as x tends to 3. We'll
Yeah.
read it as x
Yeah.
tends.
So we have to write LIM x
You have to write
minus
like this.
x
LIM
minus
x tends
x
to 3.
minus
X tends to 3. It's not x minus 3. It is x tends to 3. Like this we'll read.
Yeah.
Limit, we'll
Yeah.
read it as limit x tends to
Yeah.
3.
Yeah. So now we have to write it as x minus 3 and x plus 3.
Yeah. X square minus 9 is x minus 3 into
X
x
plus
plus
3
3. Very good.
divided by x minus 3.
Very good. Now,
Divided by x minus 3. We have to cut x minus 3 and
very good. Very good.
x
You
minus
cut that
3.
off.
Yeah. So we get x plus 3.
Yeah.
Lim x plus 3, which is 6.
Yes. Very good. The answer is 6. Fine. Yes. Next.
This this is x square. 5 square is 25 minus 25 is 0 by minus 5. Oh,
Yeah.
it will be 25 anyways. 25 minus 25 is 0. This is also hurting term.
Yeah. There is also hurting term is there. Hurting term is there.
Minus 5 plus 5 is equal to 0.
Yeah.
So LIM.
Yes.
First we have to write the question again.
Yeah.
X square minus 9. X tends to minus 5 divided by x plus 5. So we have to write this as LIM x minus 3 and x plus 3.
Why minus 3 is coming?
Oh, sorry, x minus 5.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sorry,
X minus 5 into
x
x
plus
plus
5.
5 whole divided by, you have
X
x
plus
plus
5.
5. Right.
So we
Now you
cut
can
x
cut.
plus 5.
Yes. Yes. The answer will be then.
So LIM 5. It is
Slowly.
minus 5
Yeah.
minus 5, which
Yes.
is minus 10.
Very good. Minus 10. That's the answer. Minus 10. Very good. So let's move on. What about this one?
G2 square is 4 minus, no, 4 minus 2 is 0, and 4 minus 12. 4
Alva.
minus 12. 3
Check
into
slowly. Check
6,
slowly. Check slowly.
3.
Once again. Check slowly.
I'll write it down fully.
Yeah, write it down.
Plus 2. The upper part is 0. So, yeah, it is also
Yes.
CB 0.
Yeah, 0 by 0. So you have some hurting term there.
We have an hurting term again.
Yeah.
So this will be we have to first x square minus 3x plus this thing.
Yeah. First top numerator, you can split that.
Yeah.
So limit x tends to 2.
Yeah.
This you can write it as x square minus 2x plus x.
Yeah.
Because minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. So
Okay.
here minus 2. Here denominator. Can you try the denominator?
X square minus, okay. The denominator will be x square.
Yeah.
X square minus.
You can write minus 2x minus x, right? 2 into 1 is
minus
2. Minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2. So
okay,
minus
and
2x minus x is minus 3x.
Okay. X square
Yeah, now split it.
2x minus x plus 2. The upper is plus x. Fine. So minus 2 plus 2 gets cancelled.
Why you are cancelling minus
No,
2 plus
no.
2?
No. I have to do it again.
Yeah, yeah.
So 4 minus 4 into the 8. 8 plus 2 minus 2. So 2 squared 4 minus 8 minus 2 plus 2. So it will be 10, 4 plus 2, 7, 8, 8 minus 10 divided by minus 2 minus 4 minus 8 minus 2 by minus 2 by minus 4.
How are the P? Minus 2 by minus 4.
Ah,
Can you explain?
wait. 1 second.
Yes.
2 square minus 2 into 2 plus 2
Oh, you are
minus 2.
directly applying limit here.
Oh. Oh no,
You
I
not
cannot do that.
cancel the hurting term.
Okay.
You not cancel the hurting term.
Yeah.
If you remember correctly the procedure. You not cancel the
Yeah.
hurting term yet.
But how can I cancel? It's all in like
Yeah.
plus and minus.
Yeah, yeah. You have to know the split of quadratics, right? I hope you remember.
Oh,
So it is x
okay. I have
into
to
x
do that.
minus
Okay.
2 plus 1 into
Okay.
x minus 2,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
Now
Okay.
split it. Split the quadratic.
Okay. Okay. So it will be x minus 2 and x plus 1.
Yes. Yes. You have to write that.
Okay. X minus 2 plus x.
So you have
X
limit
minus
x
2
tends to 2, x minus 2
divided by
into x plus 1 divided by, here you have x
x
minus
minus
2
2
into, so you get the x minus 1.
x minus 1.
That's
So
what you
x
have.
minus 1, x minus 1
X
cancel.
minus 2 is cancelled.
X minus 2 cancel. So lim x plus 1 divided by x minus 1. X goes to 2. X goes to 2. So 2 plus 1, 3. 2 minus 1, 1.
Yeah.
3 by 1.
3 by 1. The answer is 3. Okay. 3 by 1 is 3, right? So the answer is 3.
Yeah.
Fine.
3.
Now let's move on. 9x square minus 1 divided by 3x minus 1. X tends to 1/3.
9 into 1 by 3 would be 1 by 9 minus 1. 3 into 0. Okay. 0, 0.
0 by 0.
Yeah.
Yeah. There is a hurting term.
Mm.
You have to eliminate.
So
So what we have to do? So we can write
we
like
have
this. Limit x tends to 1/3.
limit x.
See, 9x square, I can write it as 3x whole square minus 1 divided by 3x minus 1. 3x whole square minus 1 square. That is nothing but limit x tends to 1/3. You have 3x minus 1 into 3x plus 1. A plus b into a minus b split divided by 3x minus 1. So your hurting term 3x minus 1 is out.
Yeah.
So now you can substitute x equal to 1/3. So you get 3 into 1/3 plus 1.
Okay.
So that cancels out to be 1. So it's 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2.
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll go ahead. Now, do this, evaluate x cube minus 1 by x minus 1. Limit x tends to 1. X cube minus 1 divided by x minus 1.
This is easy.
They should be easy.
1 minus 1 or 0. X cube minus 1 by x minus 1. which is 0 by 0. So x minus 3 can be written, x cube minus 1 can be written as x minus 1 lim
Limit x tends to 1.
x minus 1 x square plus x
Yeah,
plus 1
very good.
divided by x minus 1
Yes, x minus 1 is out.
out.
Yeah.
So x goes to 2, no, x goes to 1. So it will be 1 square plus 1 plus 1, which is 3.
Yeah, very good. 3. That's the right answer. Now, let's move on to the next one. You try this one. It's a little bit tricky.
X cube
The funny question.
x
7x
cube plus 7x by x square plus 2x.
x
I think
tends to,
it will be 0.
you get 0 by 0 once again.
0 by 0.
You have to identify the hurting term.
Hurting term. So x cube plus 7x. So we write the same formula. No.
No. No.
Yes.
Yes, no.
Yes.
Which formula do you write?
Or we can multiply it. We
No,
can
not.
write the same formula.
Which formula?
The x minus 1.
No,
No.
a cube plus b cube type you are talking about?
Yeah.
No, there is no cube here. So what we do is we'll remove x as common. When x is common, you get x square plus 7x. X square plus 7, right? Out of these two, x is common means x square plus 7 you will get. And now denominator also x is common, so you get x plus 2. Now x is the hurting term which is out. Now when you substitute x equal to 0, you will get 7 by 2. That's the answer. It's a very funny question. Very funny question.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a very funny question actually. The answer is 7 by 2. You have to take the x out. Next one. You try the next.
Even in the next one, we can take the x out.
Right? You will not get x out.
x4.
X power 4 minus 1. If the x is there on the other side also, minus x is there, then you can take x out.
Oh, otherwise we can't.
You can't take, right? So in here you can take the x out because x is here as well as here, so you can take the x as common. So that works here. Try it out. Huh? What to do? Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello, Aditi. There was some
Yes.
connection
Yeah.
problem thing. Okay, right. We'll see the
Uh,
this one. You give it try. How to do?
x power 4 minus x
1 divided by
1.
x minus 1.
Okay.
So okay, I may not have the idea. I will do it. Limit extends to 1.
Yeah.
X power 4 minus 1 can be written as x square minus 1 into x square plus 1.
Mm,
You can
yeah.
write this divided by x minus 1. And now what is x square minus 1? Once again I can split. Limit extends to 1. So you get 0 by 0 form if you watch it. The hurting term have to be removed. So limit extends to 1. X square minus 1 is nothing but x minus 1 into x plus 1
Yeah.
into x square plus 1 whole divided by
X
x
plus.
minus 1. And then these two are out. So when you give x equal to 1, you get 2 times 2, which is 4.
2 times 4 plus 1. 2.
Right?
Mm.
Yeah. So I will do the next. Clear now? I'll do the
Yeah.
next. Okay, this one I will do. See,
Next.
because it's little bit tough. So limit
Limit
you have extends to
1.
1. 1 by x minus 1 minus 2 by x square minus 1. This is what you have. So now we have to find the limit. When you put x equal to 1, here you are getting 1 by 0. Okay.
So it's 0.
No, 1 by 0 is non-zero. 1 by 0 is infinity.
1 by
Not
is
defined.
1.
It
Infinity,
is not
infinity.
defined. Not defined. So this limit is not defined. Now you have, there is a hurting term. It's not defined like this also you are getting, there is hurting term. Please remember.
Oh, okay.
So that is also there is hurting term. Hurting term is there. So in this scenario, you got to find the limit. So here you had to do some magic kind of thing here. So what is that magic? Some manipulation we have to do. So limit extends to 1. So we will write this 1 by x minus 1 here minus 2 by x square minus 1 can be written as x minus 1 into x plus 1. Okay, let's write like this. This can be solved by many methods. So the best one I am telling you. So out of these two terms, 1 by x minus 1 is out. Can be taken as common. So we can write limit extends to 1. Right. 1 by x minus 1 is taken as common. And now you are left with 1 minus 2 by x plus 1. See this once. 1 by x minus 1 is out. So write it up to here.
Okay.
Okay. Next we'll clear this. Clear. 1 by x limit extends to 1. You get limit extends to 1. 1 by x minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 by, you are left with x plus 1. Okay, now you take the LCM. X plus 1 minus 2 on the top. So you have limit extends to 1. You get 1 by x minus 1.
Yeah.
And you get x plus 1 minus 2 divided by x plus 1, right? And now what it is now, limit extends to 1. 1 by x minus 1 you have. And what is x plus 1 minus 2? That is x minus 1 divided by x plus 1. So your x minus 1 is out, cancelled. Right? Your x minus 1 is cancelled. So limit extends to 1, what is 1 by x plus 1? So 1 by 1 plus 1, which is 1 by 2, half. Okay, that's the answer.
Okay.
Little bit tricky. This problem is little bit tricky.
I'm just writing it.
Okay, clear? Can I clear?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Next, we'll go ahead. Now, evaluate each of the following limits. These are the fourth one. They are little bit tough limits, and then the fifth one is that the examples onwards we have to solve. Fifth. Oh, this is a long exercise. Okay,
Yeah.
this is a longer one. We'll split the things. So this is up to one model we have solved, and now this is a rationalizing type. These are called these models of rationalizing type. Can you note it, Amma? Because we had to use the whiteboard. Here it's not possible to
Yeah.
answer all things.
Yeah.
Okay, once please note this. The first one, limit extends to 0. Root of 4
Limit
plus x.
extends to 0 square root.
So
Okay,
4
4
plus
plus
x
x
minus
minus.
square root 4
Yeah,
minus
I
x
wrote it.
divided by x. Okay, let's move on to the whiteboard.
We have to multiply this with the.
Yeah. Yes, you are right. Limit extends to 0. You have square root of 4 plus
4
x
plus x
and
minus
square root of 4
square root of
minus
4
x
minus x divided
divided by
by
x.
x.
You get 0 by 0 form because root 4 minus root 4 is 0. That is 2 minus 2, which is 0. 0 by 0 form you are getting. So
Yeah,
what
okay.
we do is multiply with square root of 4 plus x plus square root of 4 minus x whole divided by the same quantity 4 plus x plus square root of 4 minus x. So we multiply with this. So the limit happens to be limit extends to 0. So this is a square, that is 4 plus x, minus b square, that is 4 minus x,
4
whole
plus x
divided by x into root of 4 plus x plus root of 4 minus x. So you have this.
minus root of.
So 4 minus 4 becomes 0. So x plus x is what you have. Minus of minus x is plus x. So you can write limit extends to 0. X plus x is 2x.
Limit
Whole divided by x into root of 4 plus x plus root of 4 minus x. This is what we have. Okay, ma? Now for 1x, this one is cancelled. So we are left with limit extends to 0. So you have 2 divided by root of 4 plus x plus root of 4 minus x. This is what you have. When you put x equal to 0, what happens? You get 2 divided by root 4 plus root 4. Right? 2 divided root 4 is 2. 2 divided by 2 plus 2, that is 2 by 4, which is half. Hence the answer.
Okay.
Okay, clear? So we'll go ahead.
Next question.
We'll solve one more and we'll close for today.
Okay.
Then we'll see the rest of the things tomorrow. So limit extends to 0, root of 2 plus x minus root 2 divided by x. This is also of the same kind. Can you give it a try?
Okay.
So
Okay.
this is limit extends to 0, root of 2 plus x
Have to
minus
divide it
root 2
first.
whole divided by x. This is what you have.
Okay. Into root
So
2
what
plus
we'll do?
x.
Root
Multiply.
of 2 plus x plus root 2
Root 2
divided by root of
root of
2
2 plus
plus
x
x plus root 2. Okay.
plus root 2.
So what happens now?
Okay.
Limit extends to 0.
Limit extends to 0. So it is root of 2 plus x whole square.
That is 2 plus x, right? Straight
Yeah,
away.
2 plus x. Okay.
Because square
2
and root
plus
will cancel out.
root of cancel.
Yeah.
So x and then inside the bracket root of 2 plus x plus root 2
Minus 2. Why? A square, this is
minus.
like a minus b. A minus b. This is a plus b. So you have to write a square minus b square. A square is 2 plus x. and b square part is root 2 whole square, that is 2.
2 plus x. Okay.
Right? So denominator
X inside
into
bracket.
this, yeah, inside bracket root of 2 plus x
Root 2x. 2 plus
plus
x
root 2.
plus root
Root
2.
2. Yeah. Yes. Now
And now next we can remove the bracket. So 2 plus x minus 2 divided by, we can take the is equal to, we should add no, we should not. We should take out the bracket,
take out the bracket. Which bracket?
the down half.
Aditi, please see once again. This 2 and this 2 is gone, right?
Oh yeah, 2 and 2, and the x and x cancel.
Limit
Will be left
extends to 0. You have x divided by x into root of 2 plus x plus root 2
x
is
x
there.
cancel. Yeah.
Now x is cancelled. The hurting
Yeah.
term is out.
Yeah.
Now
1.
Now what is left?
1 by root 2 plus x plus root 2.
Yeah. Now when you apply the limit,
Root 2 plus x plus root 2. Limit is equal to 0. So 2 plus 0 would be 2. So root 2 plus root 2.
very good. Root 2 plus root 2. So 1 by root 2 plus root 2, what it will be?
1 by root 2
2
plus
root
root
2. 1 by 2 root 2.
2 root.
Root 2 plus root 2 is 2 root 2.
2 root. Okay.
So that's the answer.
Okay.
It's a double of root 2. It's like x plus x is 2x, right?
Yeah.
Similarly, you have root 2 and root 2 are like terms. So
Okay.
root 2 plus
Okay.
root 2 is 2 root 2.
Okay.
Okay, now one more will solve. Let's see, one more. Okay, this one you give it right. Limit extends to 3. Okay.
Limit extends. Okay. All right.
Sorry, understood. Limit extends to 3. Root of 3 plus x minus root 6 divided by x minus 3. That's the question. Give it.
So limit root 3 plus x minus root 6 divided by 3. So multiply this with root 3 plus x plus root 6.
Root of 3 plus x. There is a difference.
Yeah.
When
Yeah.
you
Root
say
of 3 plus.
when you say root 3 plus x, it is like this.
Root of 3 plus x
Root of 3
plus
plus
root
x.
6.
Yeah.
Root of 3 plus x. Root of 3 plus x plus 6 divided by root of 3 plus x plus root 6.
Yeah, plus root 6, yes.
And then it will be 3 plus x.
Yeah.
Limit x leads to 3.
Yeah.
And then it will be x minus, root of 3 minus 6.
6, yes. Divided
And then
by,
this will be x minus 3 inside bracket.
yeah.
Root 3 plus root full root 3 plus x
plus root 6, yes.
root 6.
Yeah.
Okay.
Limit extends to 3. Now you have on the top x minus 3 divided by
x minus
3 into root of 3 plus x plus root 6. Right.
So next we get x minus 3
out.
Divided by x minus 3 root 3 plus x plus root 6. So 1 by root 9 3 plus 3 9
3 plus 3 is not 9. 3 plus 3 is 6.
6, sorry. 6 plus root 6. 2 root 6.
1
by
by
2 root
2
6.
root 6. That's the answer.
1
Very
by-
good. Yeah. Sufficient, Aditi. So we will see tomorrow.
Yeah.
Hopefully you got something now.
Yes, and yeah.
You had to practice a lot because this limit
Yeah.
is a very important chapter. Please
Okay.
practice the problems what we have solved until now.
Okay.
Give a practice once. Then you will get through with
Tomorrow.
this. Yeah, tomorrow
Okay.
what time? Tomorrow morning itself we can meet. I think like 10 o'clock itself.
Yeah, 10 o'clock is okay.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Right.
okay. Good night. Bye-bye.
Good night, Amma. Bye.